Hi, everybody. This is Silvio Canto in Dallas, Texas on Friday, April the 16th, and welcome to our video commentary. Well, you're hearing a great deal about packing the court, which is a neat way of saying of adding a bunch of justices to the Supreme Court and changing the number of judicial districts and so on. Now, to be honest, the Constitution doesn't have any number. It simply says, you create a judicial branch or a judiciary and you call it the Supreme Court. So the Constitution doesn't say 1 or 3 or 5 or 9. That's something that Congress later added. I believe that the number 9 that we're now operating under has been around for about 100 years. Now, the reason the Democrats want to pack the court is because they don't like the court. They don't like the fact that 6 out of the 9 members of the court were put there by Republican presidents. And they think that, they're not going to get anything out of the Supreme Court as long as the composition of the court is what it is. They may be right about that, but that's just the way it turned out. I mean, that's just the way it turned out. Some of us used to think that it was too liberal. Now they think it's too conservative, but that's the way it turned out. There's really nothing you can do about it. Now, the Democrats want to pack the court, but something very interesting happened today, and that is that Speaker Nancy Pelosi said she's not going to put it up for a vote. So they want to pack the court, they just don't want to vote on it. And I think that tells you everything you need to know. It tells you that this is an extremely unpopular idea, but more than popularity, it's a very bad idea to put people like that in the courts simply because you've got the majority and you want to put your own people in. That's just a very bad idea. And I think the American people recognize that, and that's why it's never going to happen. And I think what you're going to see now is a huge fight within the Democrat Party from the activist left that says, hey, you need to do this. And people like Nancy Pelosi and Schumer saying, you know what, we don't have the votes to do this. And that's going to be a real struggle within the party. But again, packing the court is a terrible idea, absolutely horrible idea. It would basically destroy the independence of the judiciary, which has always been one of the hallmarks of the American Republic. Thank you for watching. And if today is your birthday, happy birthday. Bye-bye, everybody.